Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a full coverage liquid concealer review and tutorial by the brand Ulta Beauty. It is a $9 concealer for 0.08 ounces, and there are 12 different shades, but I chose this shade medium warm, which I normally would not choose such a dark shade for my skin tone, but it is a medium warm shade with yellow undertones. Now in this quick tutorial, I am going to be using it all over the face. Right here I'm using it as an eyeshadow base. As you can see, it instantly brightens and covers a lot of the skin on my eyelids and dries down to a comfortable matte finish, and it doesn't get soaked up all the way by the blender. So I am also cleaning up the brow, which it definitely works well, and then I am going to use it as a concealer. But let's go ahead and talk about it. In my opinion, it has a whippy kind of feel to it. It's definitely creamy but not sticky, and it's lightweight feeling, so that's super comfortableness for your skin. It is formulated with aloe vera, chamomile green tea, and tea tree oil, which are natural ingredients that help heal and reduce redness and inflammation, all while preventing infection when concealing. It's also formulated as gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and fragrance-free. So it's suitable for all kinds of skin types. It's full coverage with that matte finish, but it's comfortable and it's vegan friendly. So under the eyes, as you can see, I thought that this was going to be a darker shade, too dark for my skin tone, and it's described as a medium warm shade with yellow undertones, but as you can see, it instantly again brightened up my skin, and I'm impressively stunned that this shade is working for me, and it did brighten up the under eyes. So I am setting it with a powder, and it also worked out as well. And now I'm highlighting the face with it, and it definitely just works and blends well with a beauty blender, and I'm super happy with it. It's definitely full coverage, and comfortable is a key word in my opinion to describe this concealer. It's affordable as well, which is another great thing. So I definitely would recommend this. Right now it's buy two get one free, and that's cool too. I can't wait to try other shades out. But yeah, that was my video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. If you have the same skin as me, or if you don't, I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.